Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to use ChatGPT. To know how to use the app of ChatGPT, you should just go to the app of ChatGPT as you see and you click. After that, in this page, you can send a message here. You can click here to send the voice as you see. Then you can go to this window in above. You can click free plan. You will find it here. Then in this window you will find the new shot. If you want to do new shot here, you can write anything to send it. After that, you can go to this window to click here history. Then you will find the list of history. You can search about anything you want here in this list. Then in this window you can also go to settings. Here in these settings you can find your email, you will find your subscription free plan here, you will find data controls. As you see, you can turn off or turn on chat history and training. You can clear chat history, export data and delete account as you see. Also you can go to click color scheme. You can choose light or dark or system defaults. You can click to main language to select your language here in this list. You can choose or select any language you want. And here you can go to help center, terms of use, privacy policy and everything here. And then after that, after all that things, you can go to click sign out to sign out on the application of ChatGPT. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.